Hi, here's how to create a frame-by-frame fire animation in After Effects using sprites. No, not this. This. This is a sprite sheet. Each one of these is a sprite, or frame. When arranged in a sequence, they create an animation. I created this sprite sheet in Illustrator as a vector file. You can download it, along with the project file, for free using the link in the description. I have placed each sprite on its own layer and arranged them in sequence so it is ready to use. Import the Illustrator file into After Effects. And make sure to import it as Composition Retain Layer Sizes. Double-click on the Fire Sprite comp. We don't need the background for this, so delete it. Select Layer 1. Duplicate it and move the duplicate to the 11th position. Select the first layer, then Shift-click the last layer to select every layer in sequence. Move the playhead forward by one frame and press Alt plus right bracket. Center align the layers horizontally and bottom align them. Then move everything to the center. Go to Animation, Keyframe Assistant, Sequence Layers. Click OK. This will sequence the layers one after another. Make sure the layers are selected in the correct order. Now we only want 20 frames, so right-click on the Fire Sprite comp, go to Composition Settings, and change the duration to 21 frames. That extra frame is important. Bring the Fire Sprite comp into your main comp. Right-click it, go to Time, and enable Time Remapping. This will add keyframes at the beginning and end. Go to frame 20, which is one frame before the last frame, and manually add a keyframe by clicking the diamond next to Time Remap. Then delete the last keyframe. Now Alt-click the stopwatch and add a loop out expression. Extend the layer to the desired length. Your fire animation is now ready. To spice it up, double-click the Fire Sprite comp and add an adjustment layer. This layer lets you apply effects to everything below it. In Effects and Presets, search for Glow and apply it to the adjustment layer. Change the settings like this. Feel free to play around with the settings. Finally, add some fire sound effects, and this is the result. That's it. The link to the project file and vector sprite sheet is in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Amateur Artists for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below.